Hi guys, this is Miss Nogbu. Today's topic is simplifying ratios. I want you to think about a time that someone asked you to do something challenging and difficult, and you felt the fear, but you decided to do it anyway. Using that same thought, think about what I'm asking you to do today. Even if you're thinking to yourself, I can't do it, do not talk yourself out of it. Even if you don't know all the steps, you can apply the first step maybe, and that will get you the marks. And then with that, that will give you confidence to go on to do the next step. This is especially for my year 11 students who are facing their GCSEs this summer, and for any adult who's thinking about a career change and they need their maths GCSE. So with that, let's get to it. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like the video. This helps me out a lot. Thank you so much. Okay, so first example, 12 to 15, if you're being asked to simplify this ratio, you are looking for a common factor for 12 and 15. So which times tables are 12 and 15 both in? I can think of 1 times tables, which isn't going to help me because if I divide 12 by 1, I'm still going to get 12. And if I divide 15 by 1, I'm still going to get 15. So I haven't gotten any further. So 3, in the 3 times tables, 12 and 15 are both in there. So if I divide 12 by 3 and I divide 15 by 3, that gets me to 45. And then you recheck your answer. 4 to 5, they both appear in the 1 times tables. So again, if I divide both by 1, that's still going to get me to 4 to 5. And this is now fully simplified. I can't do anything else with this. Okay, a second example. 10 to 25. So I'm looking at 10 and 25. They are in the 1 times tables and they're in the 5 times tables. So there's no point me using the 1 times tables. I can use the 5 times tables. So I'm going to divide 10 by 5 and 25 by 5. Okay, 5 into 10 is 2 and 5 into 25 is 5. I'm going to recheck 2 and 5. They are both in the 1s and they aren't in any other times tables. So this is now fully simplified. Okay, another example, you could have one with a decimal value in there, so like 1.5 to 10. This decimal doesn't help me. What I can do to get rid of this decimal is by multiplying both by 10. Remember, whatever you do to the first number, you have to do exactly the same to the second number. 1.5 multiplied by 10 is 15. 10 times 10 is 100. Now I can simplify this. 15 and 100, they're both in the 5 times tables. So divide that by 5 and divide that by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So check again, 3 to 20. They are both in the 1s. They're not in anything else. So this is now fully simplified. Okay, so now I want you to have a go at 21 to 24. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, so 21 and 24, they're both in the 1s and they are both in the 3s. No point in using 1, as I said earlier. Use a 3. 21 divided by 3 and 24 divided by 3. If you don't know your 3 times tables, you can write it out. So counting up in 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and keep going until you see these two numbers. So 18, 21, 24. So this is the 7th number in the 3 times tables, and 24 is the 8th number in the 3 times tables. So check again for 7 to 8. They are both in the 1s. They don't appear in any other times tables. So this is now fully simplified.